Righto, so if you get a new one and it's got the chrome trim still attached to the black grille, you'll need to separate them so you can get to the screw holes. So on the car, same thing, pull the chrome trim off and you've got 6 holes. You've got 1, 2, 3 down here and mirrored on the other side. 1, 2 there somewhere, and where is it? 3 up top. There are also these 2 little plastic clips that hold it for you while you've got no screws in. Pretty simple job. You also want to reclaim your little Peugeot badge, maybe give it a clean up, since third-party companies won't be able to make those. You also notice on the original one, it's a Peugeot lines on the plastic here, which don't come on the reproduction versions. So get this in, do it with one hand. See, there's the clip there. Just line it all up. Sorry, football camera work. Line that up. And get that on. And we can just get that right through there. It'll go on. Should. There we go. Cool. Alright, that's it. 6 little torque screws go in there, and then just the same, you can push the chrome trim on, just tabs it all around.